Morning, evening, everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. Oh, I forgot the afternoon too. Hope you had a great weekend and a great week. We had an amazing week in our community, from crypto to forex to major pairs. It was amazing. Most of the guys traded most of the moves that we trade in our community. Don't forget to press the like if you want us to grow, and if you're interested to visit us, we have a free Discord. The link is in the description below, and we have a website if you're interested to enter our private community. The website, also the link is in the description below. So let's not waste a lot of your time. As usually, we start with the indices, and it was beautiful run. We had some buys around these areas as we analyzed last week. But keep in mind, guys, we have to wait for the market to show us its hand. So for what we are anticipating, what we would love for us to day trade for the upcoming week, a retest of this area, and then continuation of the up move, unless something that we cannot see in the chart happens. Then we will reassess in our midweek sessions that we do every Wednesday, Thursday and Friday pre-London. We cover the watch list, which is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, let me check, this is the watch: majors, commodities, a lot of crypto, and the indices, most of the tradable indices that we trade. So this is our watch list, or anything that's requested from us. So for the S&P and the NAS and all this stuff, we're looking for a pullback into some decent way, like order block or something that you're familiar with, a pullback and continuation of the up move. FTSE, hopefully whoever's trading it still holding it. As I said in our midweek sessions, the guys that are holding, please take some partials, but there's still more up to come. So you can still add to your position if you would love to day trade it on the pullback. The way we look at the market, on the pullback, measure the leg, measure wherever it is, and take it. DXY, I'm looking for something like this and taking out these highs. If it continues, so be it. We know how to enter, but I'm looking for that. Let the market show us its hand. EURUSD, beautiful trade that we took, I personally took. Sorry guys, there you go, sorry about that. Thank you, Neil. So EURUSD, we traded this till up here, till if you go higher time frame, you can see exactly where it was listed, with this line that's here at 1.118, and I'm looking for same thing like the DXY, pull back, hit it one more time, and then continuation of the down move. There's still liquidity down there. Pound, looking for a pullback, taking out liquidity. We might reach up there and then a drop. Is it gonna be a massive drop? We will see. Is it gonna be just a minor correction and then continuation of the up move? We will see, but I'm looking to trade this setup to the upside. UCAD, looking to take these liquidities and heading up. NU, we mentioned for the past 2 weeks that these were not taken out. Even more were created up here, so I'm looking price to head up. If it stays up there, then the XY in a way the drop would be bigger than we were looking at, but I'm looking for and then continuation of the down move. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Basically, I do not trade on Mondays or Fridays, not that much, maybe scalping, but day trading or swing trading are done Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, after some kind of a structure is formed or highs or lows that are being formed, so that we can target or better risk management or something that can give us an edge. Aussie, same thing like NU for the following and targeting these lows. This can go all the way up here. So find your setups, find the way that you trade and trade in between these areas. Silver, hopefully most of you caught these drops. What I'm looking at, a pullback and retest of this area. Can it continue? Yes. Can it bounce and come back down? Yes. Let's see, but this is the setup that we're looking at. I don't have a crystal ball to see how far it might go. Let's let the market show us what's next. For gold, looking for a pullback similar to this, maybe something like this, and continuation of those. We might target these highs and maybe higher. Am I looking for a massive drop? Not at the time being. Oil, looking, there's a potential setup for this to continue breaking these lows. Let's see if it's gonna play out. UJ, hopefully most of you got that. Targeting these lows. Make sure if you are in short, take some partials around these areas. Pound yen, we might have something like this and then a drop. Hopefully we'll have something like this and a drop. If this stays above here, I'll be taking every pullback to the upside. We'll update these as we go in our midweek sessions. Euro yen, still as I said last week, stay away from it. As you can see, stay away from it. It's not worth your time to trade at the time being. Just leave it alone. It can't stay here, come back up, come back down. Just it's not trending. You need something to be trending for it to be worth your time, right? BTC, okay, let's there's this order block around these areas, so we're staying above it. As you can see, we tagged this one, and continuation of the up move till 50-52 area. There is a potential drop retesting these highs. before more upside. Just in case we break this, there's a potential drop till these areas before continuation of the upmove. Just keep that in mind. Tommy, how are you, man? But for the time being, price is tagging the daily order block, so we might have one more test to the downside and then continuation of the up move. Just if we break that, make sure watch the 40 and 41 area. ETH, same thing, looking for more upside. Just if it drops, identify a structure. If it drops, watching these areas, then continuation of the up move. I don't wanna, okay, let me explain this. On the weekly, on higher time frames, weekly, monthly, these there is a potential of, from where we are now, there is a potential of this coming down till 24-25 area. Okay, but if you've been following me for a while, I don't like to call tops or bottoms or reversals and all of this stuff. I tag along with the price. I trade my setup. Either it's going up or going down. I just tag along, wait for the move to happen, and I have my own way. And most of the guys that are in the community taught them how to tag along in the middle of the move with minimum risk. With minimum risk. So if this is gonna play out till 20, 25, 24 area, so if this is gonna play out, I will not call it, and I will not try to anticipate that this might happen, because that will, if I have that in mind, and it's gonna stop me from trading this whole move if it continues moving up. So I'll just keep it as a potential. If it starts breaking these order blocks or these breaker blocks that were identified, we start looking for these cells. But above, as long as we are above these structures, we keep on buying until the market switch and show us that it switched, not as it broke a trend or it broke I don't know what. Right? So there's a way that you decide where it is going. Yeah, exactly. Like Tommy, he traded this whole move, not from the bottom, but from this area. He's been adding and adding, getting paid 50% and add back again, and gets paid 50% and adds back again. He's been milking the whole move for the whole week. The guy is waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning just to trade. Anyways. Yeah, man. So we're having some fun, some good calls. Yeah, it's all about having fun, like liking what you're doing, right? So it's not like, oh, I don't know, panicking and missing out and FOMO and all of this stuff, right? So You gotta enjoy what you're doing. If you're not enjoying it, it's too stressful. Why do it? Life is too short. Yeah. So XRP, we're still looking. I have an expert, which is Tommy. Anything he wants, he scalps XRP, he day trade XRP, swing trades XRP, position take XRP, he DCAs in XRP. It's part of his family now, right? Yeah. So we're looking more upside. If it comes and retest this area, beautiful opportunity to buy. So look, we did a careful study yesterday. They are reacting. The buys are happening around the 1 hour and the 2 hour order blocks. So watch the 1 hour, 2 hour order blocks for you to be to benefit from these moves. There is a potential a retest, as you can see on the 1 hour, a retest of this. And if I'm not mistaken, there is on the 4 hour exactly, there is a potential a retest of this before continuation of the up move. If this plays out, that means BTC and ETH are gonna drop to what we were looking at. They're around the 41 area, and then continuation of the up move. Just the idea that I spoke about, that BTC coming down to 25 is still early, but as I said, I do not like to call. I'll wait for the market to show. It's just an idea. Same thing. Tag along the trend, right? Go along, proper risk management. Try not to, because when you start looking, oh, this is the top, you're gonna put rocks in your way of. It's gonna be bumpy, right? Calling tops and trying to trade the small corrections. Know how to tag along. It happens. I'm pretty sure it's not even 1% of the money that you made, Tommy. Anyway, so yeah, these are our views. I'm expecting the XY to continue the up move. Indices, nothing changed. Like for example, the way I was looking, as I explained last week, we're above this. So why you want to call the top? On the contrary, why don't you trade this? Right? So take it, a retest of this, take it. We're still above, so try not to see the market. Oh, it's just you're putting fear inside of your trading. Don't do that. DXY, as I said, looking for targeting these areas. Euro on the higher time frame, still looking for more downside on the higher time frame, targeting these lows. Pound, just recapping the whole view. Pound, it is a bit of yes, maybe more no, because liquidity has been grabbed from here, even from here, and liquidity has been grabbed from up there. So we might see a consolidation in this area until the XY is ready to drop back again. USDCAD, still looking for maybe a correction and then pump more up, and that's why I'm looking for more upside. And keep in mind, you have to learn how to pay yourself, and it's not about being right or wrong. You're just here to make money with minimum risk. There's always risk, there's always potential that you will lose trades, as long as they are controlled losing trades. And that's all what matters, is for you to control the loss. That's the only thing that you can control, is the loss. And if you're new, you're struggling, try to get a setup that suits your character, suits your lifestyle, a setup that you create, okay, and back test it and trade it. Know everything about it. Don't try to focus on the analysis, on the bigger view, on where's price heading, where's this, where's that. That's just a waste of time. You're here, you want to be a trader, so you don't want to be an analyst, right? So focus on the setup, because this setup is gonna make you money. The risk management, as Tommy said just now, is your key to your consistency, right? If the setup does not play, you're losing minimum. If the setup plays, you're benefiting from it the maximum. That's the key. It's not the analysis. It's not, oh, this is gonna play out, or that's what is it doing, and this is where it is heading, or this or that. It's the setup. You have a setup, take it. You don't have a setup, do not take it. And as an advice to anyone that's new, try not to call tops and bottoms. There's no tops and there's no bottoms. Tag along. Learn how to tag along the price. Anyways, hopefully that was helpful. And we'll keep bottom. Exactly. If you would like me to check anything, please write them in the chat. And don't forget to press the like, share our community, and trade safe. That's the most important thing. And enjoy what you're doing, right? If you are too stressful, forget it. No, just leave it and go find something else. You should enjoy this. Trade safe, guys.